Welcome to Craw Security. I am Sartesh Kumar Sharma. In this session, we will discuss about Vim. What is Vim? So, when we want to create any file and we want to edit the file. So, Vim is a text editor. So, just like Notepad. Suppose we use Notepad for editing any types of text. So, just the same way we can use in Linux, we can use Vim. We can use Vim and VI. So VI is the old version and VI is the new version. So by using this particular editor, we can edit any kind of plain text. So it is used just to edit all kind of plain text. So just editing any programs to create any file. So we can use just Vim. So Vim is a text editor. Suppose if in my system Vim command is not performed, so we should install this particular package. The package name is vim-enhance. This package is to be required to perform this particular command. So this is a command by which we can create a file, we can edit any kind of text. So this is my text editor. So we can use this one. And how it has some modes, how we can use this and how to perform the operations in this particular. So it has some modes just like insert mode, command line mode, extended command line modes, visual modes. By using I keystroke in the Vim, so it will goes to insert mode. When we open this on a first time, so it will goes to command line mode, and we want to save. We want to perform the save operation. We want to quit this, and we want to delete any text, any line. So we can use this particular. When you want to copy, cut, paste. So these all the work that is to be performed in this particular mode. And we can also use the Vim in a visual mode. So these are the commands related to the Vim. So we can use I to goes insert mode to text. We want to insert any types of text. We can use I, we can use A, and for O, we can insert a new line. We want to save this, so we can save by using W. And we want to quit this, so we can use Q. We want forcefully quit and forcefully write and quit, so we can use this. So we can use this both at the same time, all these options at the same time. And we have the another option, that is X, that is also used to be write and quit option. So we can save this by this particular option also. And this has another option, Shift ZZ. We can use this one also. If we want to copy this, we can use YY option, and P for paste, CC for cut. We want to delete this, we can use DD option. For undo, we can perform U option, Control Y, we can use for redo. When we want to go to the start of the line, we can use $, for the end of the line. And we want to show and we want to display the lines in the file. So we can use set number. And we want to remove these. So we can use remove the lines from the file. We can use this particular option, set no number. And we want to go specific line. So we can use this particular option. And we want to search and replace any text, any word. So we can use this particular. So how we can use these all the options, I will show you one by one. So this, I will start my machine. So machine will be started. So this is the command, and I will show you how to check the package. In my system, the package is installed or not. hyphen qa vim hyphen cd enhanced. So this is the package that is to be installed in my machine. So if this package is not installed in machine, so vim not perform in the system. Give the command, give any name, and you can provide any format. It can be txt, it can be docs, it can be pdf. So you can provide any format. And by default, this mode is command mode. When we type I here, I means insert. So it will goes to insert mode. When we again type ESC button, escape button, it will goes again to command line mode. When we type escape, it will goes to command line mode. Command line mode. So when we type A, it also used, A is also used to for the insert, and I is also for the insert. This. If we use O for insert new line, I use some options CC for cut. We can use YY for copy, P for paste. So we can use U for undo and CTRL, control plus Y, control plus R, sorry, control plus R for redo. I have typed wrong here maybe. What is the redo option? Control plus R. That is control plus R, not this. So I have, so any text you want to write here. So write some text here, and I want to save this file. So what I will do, just press escape button, then type colon, then W. W for save. It means write. Save, or we can say that it's a write. And we want to quit. So we should use here this one. And we want to quit. So we can use Q for quit. And we can use this at the write and quit and forcefully. So it's a write, quit, forcefully. So this one. So I will show this, and I want to save this again. So this for save and quit also, and forcefully. So I will exit from this particular file, and again we want to enter in this file and edit some text. So we can again use vim command, and suppose we want to copy some lines. We want to copy this particular line. So what I will use, 2 times YY. So what I will use, we can use 2 times YY. So this one we can use, and I want to copy this one line. So type YY, and I want to paste this here. So only just type P. When you type P, it will be paste. And we want to copy more than 2 lines, more than 1 line. So what I will do, so just type number, how many lines. Suppose we type 3. So it will show here this one, and then again type YY. So it will shows So here 3 line will be copied, so it's called and I want to paste this here, just P, paste all the lines, so it will paste here. And I want to delete some lines. Suppose we want to delete this one A. So what I will use, we use 2 times DD, so this line will be deleted. And I want to perform the undo operation, so type U, so revert back, so U for undo, so we perform undo operation. And we want to delete this again, so we can also use this one, and we can also use this one DD. So we want to perform redo operation, so what I will do, control R, so it will perform redo operation. So we can use A to insert, and I for insert. So I will show you the differences. What is the difference I and A? And O for insert a new line. So we perform this one also, this one, and this one. And we also perform this, and this. So I will show you the difference between I and A. When we type any text here, at this time my cursor is on an character. When we type I, so when we type any text that is typed before the N keyword, when you perform U, it's for undo, again type A. So now we see the text will be added after the N. So I means, what is the means of I? So insert any text before the cursor, not text before the cursor. CURSOR. So I means before and A means after. I will show this again. So these 2 operations will be performed. This one. So see here this again. Suppose we want to type any text here. So first we type I. So this will goes to insert mode. And we would type any text. So the text is typed before this particular cursor, because my cursor is in Q. So before the cursor, suppose when we type again A option, so the cursor will move after Q. So A means after. When we type any text, so this is after the cursor. So like this particular way we can use this option. So mostly we use here, suppose we have here and want to A. So this is better. So we don't type to press space bar for here. So A for space. So it will give me a space automatically. Suppose we here and type new. Then again space, and at this time we hear this particular character and we type A for insert mode. It's not better. So for this we are here is in this particular option, space option, then we type A, it will automatically type a space, then type any word, any text. So this is good. So like this way we can use A means after, I means before. So these 2 options are used, insert the text before the cursor and after the cursor. When we want to use this particular O option, so what I will do, O means insert a line. We want to insert a line here, so we type only just O. So we can add new line here. So like this way we can add new lines between the file anywhere. Suppose we want to edit one line also here, so we can use O option again. So this is a sample file. We can type any text. So this is the O option. This is for shade, Q for quit, I for, this for forcefully, right and shade, and this one. I want to use this. Suppose we have typed more lines, this line and this line, and we want to shape this and quit also. So what I will do, go to extended command line mode. It's called extended command line mode. So we type only just X colon X. So it will save and quit. And we want to open this again. So use this again. So these two lines will be saved. This one and this one also. We can use this option also to save and quit. Like we want to add new line, new sample line added, and we want to save this. So what I will do, press escape button, then shift 2 times ZZ, ZZ. So it will be quit. So what I will do, shift ZZ. So this option is used to write and save. And we want to copy, so we can copy also. And we want to copy more than 2 lines, we can use this option. And number of lines, we type here 3, it will copy 3 lines. When we type 4, it will copy 4 lines. P for paste, Y for copy, C, this option. I will show you this one. Suppose we want to delete this particular, we want to cut this particular line. So we type CC, this line just cut. And we want to paste here, so just P. So this line, it will remove from and it will paste here. So CC for cut, cut any lines. Suppose we want to cut more than 1 line. So we want to copy, cut these 3 lines, this one, and this one. So what I will do, we type 3, it will show here. What is the character? 3. And we want to cut 2 times C. So these lines will be cut and we want to paste here. So just paste. So 3 more lines will be paste here. So this is the option to use the CC. So CC for cut 1 line, and how many lines we want to cut, we can use the characters. So we can use this option also, and we want to cut more than 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, we can use here CC. Just same here also, we want to delete 3 lines, 4 lines, so we can this option. So it's for delete. Delete 3 lines deleted. We want to cut how many lines, so we can use 3 lines cut. So like this. So I have performed this option also, this one also, this one also. I have also used this option also, and also this. What is the use of this? and what is the use of this particular character. So 0 means start of the line, dollar means end of the line. At this time we are here in the middle of the line and we want to go to the start of the line. So what we will use? 0. 0 means start of the line, and we want to move the end of the line, so we can use dollar sign, dollar. So like this way we can use 0 means start of the line, or dollar means end of the line, of the line. This is the use of 0 option. And this we can also use home button. We can also use home button. Home means so this is the process I will use. I will open this file again. Okay, no issue. This one. So I am here, and we want to use this option. So what is the use of set number? Suppose how many lines in this file I don't know, and I want to show all the lines number here. So what I will do? So use colon and type set number. So it will show how many lines in this file. These are 24 lines. So like this way we can show the lines number, show the line number. And we want to remove this, then again set no br, no number. So we can use this one. So we can use this in a short also. Nu, SENU. SE means set, NU means number. So it will show the lines, and we want to remove this. So we can use SE, no NU, no number. So this will display. Suppose SENU. We want to go this particular line. What I will do? Just colon, type 12. At this time, so we are in this particular line. So my cursor is in this line, and we want to move to this line also. So just type 7. So at this time we are in this particular line. So we want to move line to line. So we can use just colon, and we can type just number. So we can move to that particular line. So this is the option to go on a specific line. So I perform this one also, and this one also. Suppose we want to search a word, any word, and we want to replace this. So what I will do? Suppose this is a music. I want to search this. So just type colon percentile search music, and I want to type MUSICS, this word, and globally. So you can see here, in earlier this is in a capital. At this time this will be in a short musics, and we want to undo this operation, so it will highlight. M means it's in a capital letter, only just music. We want to replace this particular word, so we can replace. How we can replace this? Use percentile, and S for substitute, or we can say that it's for search. Which option we want to search? MUSIC, and we want to replace this word by CRAW, SECURITY, this one. So we want to replace this particular name by this particular name, Craw Security. So how I will do this? So just G for globally, search in all the files. So this will be replaced, this word will be replaced by this particular. So this is the option to use this. So we can use this option like so. It's for percentile, S for substitute, music. We want to replace this word by this particular word in globally. So we can use, suppose I will show one another example. I want do undo. At this time we are here, this particular music word, this one, and we type percentile, S for substitute, MUSIC, music, and we want to CRAW, crow, and not type at this time. So it will replace this one also globally. Percentile, S for search, into search crow, CRAW, and we want to replace this music by this word. So it will be replaced automatically in all the file. Okay, this will perform in whole lines. So it will perform automatically in a globally. So this work like this. So we can use this option here. It's not N, it's for G. G for globally in whole the file. So we can use this option. So this also be performed. So in this, what I will discuss in this session, we will discuss what is Vim. So Vim is a text editor that is upward compatible to VI also. So we can edit all kind of plain text by using the Vim. So it is used by the programmers to edit any programs, to write any program, to create the files. And this is the package name that is to be installed in your system to perform this particular command. And it has some modes like insert mode, command line mode. So this used for the insert mode. When we open the file first time, it will be on a command line mode. And by using escape button, we can also goes to the command line mode. And we want to perform any operation, just colon, then we can save this, quit, delete. All the operations will be performing this particular mode. And we can also use this one also. So these are the commands to perform this one. So I have performed all these options, that is I for insert, A for also insert, O for insert new line, W for write, Q for quit, forcefully write and quit, also for the write and save, and it's also for the save and quit, YY for copy, P for paste, CC for cut, DD for delete the lines, U for undo, Control R for redo. So it's for start of the line, end of the line. So I will show you one more thing also, that is we want to move start of the line, start of the file. So we use start of the, not start, we can use here top of the file. So we use GG option. So shift plus GG. So we can use this shift plus G for end of the file. So we can move to end of the file. So these two options I will show you. So what is the use of GG option? What is the use of this option? So we can use this. So what is GG and what is shift plus G? These two options I will show you. Suppose at this time we are in 13 line and we want to move the first of the line, first of the file line. So we can use GG. So this is my line number 1. So we can move to top of the file and we want to move end of the file. So we can use shift plus G. So it will be on end of the file. So this is the end. We have only 24 lines in this file. When we use 2 times G, so this is top of the file. When we type in a capital, G in a capital, or we can say that shift plus G. So it will goes to end of the, suppose we have a file that is 100 pages, 50 pages, 10 pages. So we want to move first and end. So this is the process to use these options. So I will perform this one also and this one also. So thank you so much.